Okay, so whenever I was a little girl, I used to love to read, and I remember when the encyclopedia salesman came to the house, and I don't remember a lot about him coming, but you can imagine what it was like when the encyclopedia salesman and 6 little kids running around all over the place. We were usually pretty well behaved for Mama, so I'm sure we sat and listened. But the Mom and Daddy decided to buy the encyclopedias, and so they're Compton encyclopedias, and so I was getting some stuff ready to take over to my brother's house, and Valerie saw the encyclopedias, and I was talking about them, and she said that would make a great story, so that's why we're talking about them. But I was showing her some things in the encyclopedia, and it's the 1961 edition, so that shows what year we bought them. And I was telling her whenever I was little, I would just get an encyclopedia book out. I would just grab one and just look through it and read the stories, because the way it was written, they wrote it to be read. And so it was always fun, and your Uncle Larry also liked to read the encyclopedia, which is why they're supposed to be his, because I think he had asked Mama for them, and they got put up in the attic for him. But then when everything got moved out of the house, they got moved over to June's, and then they got moved with me, and so I was supposed to be bringing them to Larry. So we got to talking about them, and I called Larry and I asked him if I could keep the encyclopedias a little bit longer, but I'm going to take him some more books. But I would just get them out, and I would just read through them, and I really liked the A volume because it had these overlays, and I was showing those to Valerie, and it's the body, the human body, and what it was is, you see the first overlay, and it's got organs, muscles on it, and you can see as you flip each layer, they're front and back, clear acetate, so they sort of build, and you can see all the different parts of the organs, and where the heart is, and where the intestines are, and the thyroid gland, and all these sort of things. And I used to sit there and study those, and then I would read different stories, like they would have autobiographies on the different presidents, and famous people, and so anytime I was bored, I would just get the encyclopedia out and flip through it. It was a really nice encyclopedia because it has pictures, and like it'll have, I would read about the different states, and they would have pictures from famous movies and things like that, or like the different states, they would have different scenes, and I would just read it, and like I'd read a story through. And so I was just thinking, I used to know all this stuff, but I don't know it anymore. But so we decided to, like I said, call Uncle Larry, and we're gonna keep this book's encyclopedias a little bit more so we can go through them. And then when we were flipping through the one that we were flipping through, we came across a note that Daddy had written on something. Saying it was under percentages, and it was saying to check also addition and division, and so I told Valerie, I said he must have been helping us with our homework. But that's my story about the encyclopedia.